welcome to LP Cuber, and today I'm gonna help you put your Rubik's Cube back together. Alright, now, there is a difference between miniature Rubik's Cubes and regular Rubik's Cubes, but the principle is the same. Now, there's a bunch of corner pieces which have 3 colors on them, and there's a bunch of edge pieces which just have the 2 colors. And then there's this piece here. It's got all the centers. Now what you want to do first is just pick a color. I usually start with white and get the edge pieces. And so get all the edge pieces, the ones with just 2 colors that have white. So there should be 4 of them. 1, 2. That's a corner piece. Oh, here's another one. Just one more, and it should be the orange one because the colors are messed up. Maybe. Okay, sort of orange. Okay. Alright, so with these 4 pieces, first you just stick them on, but you can't just stick them anywhere on the white side. You need to make sure the colors match up. And it kind of just clips in there, and then you move this piece up. You kind of just gotta hold it there. Then you get next piece, that would be green. That's here, and that kind of just clips in. At this point, I usually turn it upside down, like as you can see. Let's actually do it red, because the yellow and this is actually orange, but the orange and white side moves up and down. So let's go to a side it doesn't. So let's go with the red. So here we have one of the red pieces. Here's another one. Here's one, then the last one is... Dang, who thought it would be so hard to find a couple pieces? And it's not over here. Oh, here it is. There. Let's just make this easier in the future. Let's get the edge pieces over here and corners over here. Alright, so again, let's get blue and red. And that'll kind of just clip in. You gotta put it in the right way. Alright, and then color next to that's the white and red. And then it goes the green and red one, and the orange and red. Okay, once you get to this point, just stick that upside down. So you have the red, so you need to find the corner pieces with the red. And let's hope this isn't super hard. And here they are. Okay, so the red is going to go on the bottom, and the orange and green, you need to find those corners. Here's orange and green. You kind of just put that in and slide it down. Okay, you can kind of grab these center pieces or this top center piece to kind of hold it up, but that can happen. So you just get this little nub here, put it in, and slide it down. You need to be careful to not knock it out. So here's the red again. Just stick that in. Now, this piece is really loose. I'm gonna keep it on there for now. The white and blue. Red goes on the bottom again. And red on the bottom. Just stick that there. And then you get the next row of middle pieces. And that's, here we have a blue, and we have orange, and green. So basically just all the pieces that don't have the yellow on them. If it has yellow, we don't want it. Okay, let's get the blue and yellow here, and that piece will just slide in. And if you don't want to, it can also kind of just clip in. Just depends on what you want to do, doesn't really matter. I usually kind of clip it in. Just get all these pieces in there. And then for the last, you can kind of mess around with it now. It's relatively strong. Now you need to get the rest of the edge pieces, yellow and white. We'll just stick that there. And then you get the corner piece, yellow, white, and blue. Then you get the other corner piece. Let's see, that would be blue and yellow. Stick that there. And then the corner piece with blue and yellow. Here we have that. Yellow and orange. Get this corner piece. Nope, I was right the first time. This one. Stick that in. Get this last piece. You just put it there to apply pressure. Kind of snap it in. Then this last piece here. Just get the color scheme all right, and you just push it in. Alright, so that's what you do if your miniature Rubik's Cube falls apart. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys again next week. Please like and subscribe. Bye.